Hey guys, I am the Tong Man. Here I have some Jegs Skinnies that I want to open up and put it on a scale to see how much they weigh. I know a lot of people have been asking me questions since I posted this up on Instagram. They are heavier and they are reps of the World Racing Skinnies. So let's go ahead and open it up. Comes nicely packaged from Jegs. There you go. There it is. It's a gloss black finish. And so this is an exact replica of the World Racing Skinnies. Looks pretty nice. You can see the reflection from the finish. And then on the inside of the spokes, it's a machine finish. It's pretty awesome. Looks pretty good. These are fairly cheap as well. They're really inexpensive. On Jegs website, these are $91 a piece. So very affordable. That's what it looks like. And I know you guys are curious about the specs, so let's see what they are. Let's see here. There you go. 15 by 4. So 15 in diameter, 4 inches in width, and it's got a -19 offset. So these aren't really made in Japan. They're made in China. Just want to point that out. Also, it comes with center caps. So these would be the Jegs center cap. There you go. The Jegs center cap. And go through it right there, like that. Oh, there you pop right back up. So they look like this. Yeah, so without further ado, let's put them on the scale, see how much it really weighs. So it doesn't feel too heavy, but it is a replica of the World Racing. So moment of truth. There you go, 12.8 pounds. 12.8 pounds. So yeah, they're not too heavy. Usually Skinnies, like I would use the M&H Racemasters Skinnies. They're like 10 pounds, so total would be like around 22 pounds after you got the tires mounted and with some air in there, so around 22 pounds. For comparison sakes, let's weigh one of my World Racing Skinnies and see how much this one weighs. So if I were to put the tires on, it'll be the same tires, M&H Racemasters, and exact same size. It'll be 36 by 24 by 15. These still have a lot of life left, so there's no point in replacing these, but it's nice to have an extra pair just in case. All right, so let's see how much this one weighs with a tire. So it wouldn't be a fair comparison because it has tires and that wheel doesn't. So so like I said, the tire is like 10 pounds. All right, there you go. So I'm just gonna keep it from rolling. It's 21.6 pounds with a tire. Yeah, so the World Racing is forged, so it's a lot lighter and it's just stronger than the Jegs would be, and that's why it's also lighter too, because it's forged. So there you go, guys. Now you know. Thanks for watching.